Hello friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My channel is all about succulents, cacti, lots of houseplants in my apartment setting. And today I'm going to do a special unboxing for you. I got some new artwork for my plant room. I'm really excited about this because a very special person made this for me and I cannot wait to show you what it is. So let's get to it. Okay, so let me put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. I've covered up my address and her address, and hopefully you can see by the other view there. And let's see. Have it a little bit upside down, but that's okay. The person that made this for me is my beautiful niece, Jennifer. She has an Etsy shop called Strings by Jen, and I have quite a few pieces of artwork from her that I displayed during the holiday season, that I've given as gifts, that cancer ribbons that she made for me. So this design is a design I've made from that I have in my Etsy shop for one of my mugs, but I wanted it on a string art, and that's what she does. It is a beautiful, nice, big piece of wood. She's incredibly talented. I'm not saying that because she's my niece and the firstborn grandchild on my side of the family, but she's very talented. She makes, cuts all these boards herself, stains them herself, puts the wiring on them herself. So I'm putting things away, and I was so excited to open the box. I didn't even see the little envelope that she had attached to it and the beautiful little card that she had attached to it. And it reads, "Thank you so much for your continued support of my shop. Hope you love this as much as I do. I almost kept it. Take care, love, Jen." Oh, isn't that sweet of her? Okay, now back to the video. Oh my gosh, look at this. It is above and beyond what I expected. The intricacy that she has is amazing. It really is amazing. She's been doing this for a few years now. I want to say a good 4 years, I think. She made even, I'll put a picture of it here, my daughter Kristen's guest book. She did a design of their last name, and the board was nice and large and round, and people signed right on the board. And now they have it hanging in their living room. But I had always loved this design on my cup. So I sent it to her. I'm like, "Hey, honey, can you do a string art with this?" And she's like, "Oh, yeah, sure." So I sent her the picture, and she just took off with it, and here it is. I'm going to put it up here, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But it does come with the wiring all ready to hang. And it's a beautiful big piece. This design is available in her shop. I think you can DM her. She did tell me that she filmed the process of making this. So I will leave a link to her Instagram account where you can view the video that she did of making this. I don't know if it's the entire thing or just one of the potted cacti, but you can see, you know, the intricacy of it. I mean, she speeds it up obviously, but she is so quick at this. She's done classes on it, everything. I know I'm bragging. I am such a proud auntie. But let me get this hung up and then I'll show you what it looks like, okay? Well, there you have it, friends. What do you think? I think it is such a statement piece on this wall. I do need more plants on this wall, and that's going to be coming because I have a lot of artwork here, but I do need more plants. But I love this. Thank you so much, honey. I appreciate this so much. Thanks so much, friends, for stopping by and checking out this quick video, this quick unboxing. I know it wasn't an actual plant, but it is plant related and something very special and dear to my heart. I hope you love it as much as I do. Again, I encourage you to check out her Etsy shop. And if you enjoyed this video, friends, I encourage you also to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, any of our field trip editions. Lots of fun that we have on here. And if you enjoyed this particular video and it gave you value, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video, friends. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.